Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 291 player has been removed from the data model in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually these error occur due to the Roblox server side issue, or game is hitting data store request limit, or the developer script error, or temporary network instability affecting data store communication. So for that, our first step is to check Roblox server. So you need to enter into your browser and search for server.roblox.com. Yeah, and then enter into the first link. Now it shows all system are operational, which is in green color. If in case you had any error, it shows like in yellow or red color. In September 16 it shows some issue in joining the experience and access content. So now it's good to go. If in case you had these errors, you need to wait for some times to solve the error from the Roblox side. Our next step is to clear Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and type percentage local app data percentage, and you will redirect to the file explorer. Over there you need to select temp folder, and then you need to find the Roblox folder. Yeah, once you find, please delete the folder. It's a Roblox cache folder. Yeah, once you're done, please close all the tabs and restart your system. After restart, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, you need to try another server of the same game and then rejoin the game after few minutes, or you can restart your Roblox, log out and log in again to solve the issue. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.